Okay, so I had this fabric for a long time, and I said, okay, well, let me go ahead and make a drawstring bag. And I pretty much use the same technique with the other one. I just don't add any sides to it. Like, well, not the sides. The strap at the bottom. Um, and truth be told, I decided to go ahead and sew this up because I have been really, really agitated. Not agitated, but irritated. Like, it's a level of, I guess you could say, anxiety within my proximity that is really getting to me today. I really don't talk about it when it happens, but I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it today. Lately, I have been getting kind of triggered by, again, people in my proximity that lack communication skills, very childish, very loud, and the screaming and stuff like that. And so I have to reset myself and reset my energy, so it doesn't affect me, because it can be really exhausting, because that's not my reality. I don't live like that. I don't sit and argue with people about stupid stuff and whatever. Um, yeah, I have to preserve my peace at all costs. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sew this thing today. And yeah, I might actually re-upload this with a little bit more instruction, but I just felt like I needed to release and relate today. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it today, and again, like I said, getting triggered and learning how to redirect my energy and doing something productive instead of slapping somebody has, been amazing. And yeah. So with this bag, I did make my string a little bit long, but I'm gonna go cut them when I get off camera. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little sample and try it out this way, because generally I make straps, like, for a backpack, but I just, you know, made it a little bit more simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have your own coping skills to deal with weird energy. All right. See y'all next time. Bye.